welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with unwrapping of this WD-M2 locomotive over here. So few things are left out which will be covering it up over here. So now very first of all, let's select this part, select this, let's go into this and let's give unwrap UVW. So select the polygons and go into the open UV editor and say flatten mapping. So go into tools, pack UVs, let's click OK over here. So press M, go into material editor and we can just assign that particular material. So let's select this, assign that material over here and isolate this again. So whatever the elements are left out which will be covering it up. So again let's select this part, go over here, unwrap UVW, let's select this. So I'll just go into this edge over here, I'll double click it, open UV editor, let's just break it, select the polygons. I can again go over here, say quick planar map, drag it out, select this, quick planar map, drag it out, select this polygons over here and say peel over here, but peeling won't work over here, it's not going to open up like this. So we have something different. I can just click over here, again say open up and again say peel. So you can just go into mapping, unfold mapping. So again go into tools, pack UVs over here in this way. So go into material, assign it and isolate this. So we are almost done now. Now few things like we have already will be copying this part over here. I'll just go over here, let's select this, again give unwrap UVW. So again I'll select this, quick planar map, open UV editor, drag it out, select this, quick planar map, drag this out, again double click on it, break it, select the polygons over here and say peel over here, go into tools and say pack UVs again. So go into the material, let's assign this and isolate. So we have taken this, we'll just make a copy of this. So we already have this, so we'll just duplicate this stuff over here. Now select this again, delete this, make a copy of it over here in this way. So go over here for the window section, so select this part. So again go over here, unwrap UVW. So I'll just select the polygons, open UV editor and say flatten mapping, go into tools, say pack UVs again, Similarly, I'll just mirror this and isolate material. I'll just assign this, duplicate it, drag it a bit over here like this, push it further. So select this again, delete this. So again mirror it, copy this in y-axis over here in this way. So select this part. Okay, so this is also unwrapped. Select this, go over here, let's give unwrap UVW and select the whole polygon. Go over here, open UV editor and say flatten mapping, tools, pack UVs. So I'm just using a very simple technique over here. So once this is done, just check this out if anything is left out. So I'll just mirror this. So this is also unwrapped. Again go over here, make a copy of it. So just drag it in this way. So you can see, okay, so we have the springs left out. So again go over here and say unwrap UVW. Let's go into this. So select this, say quick planar map, drag this out, again quick planar map, drag this out, again select this edges and say cut, I'll just save it once. So once it is done, you can just select this and say peel over here. So we can just try to peel this. Or else you can just select this and unfold this. So there are a lot of details, so that's the reason. Select this, go into tools and say pack UVs, go into material, assign it, so it's not correctly unwrapped. So again go over here, select all the polygons, go into open UV editor and say a flatten mapping. So I'll just assign a flatten mapping. So this is much better. So I'll just say and isolate over here. I'll just delete this, shift and drag it and make one more copy of it in this way. So let's just delete this, shift and drag and make one more copy of it. Okay, so this is just left out. So go into this, again say unwrap UVW, select the polygons, again go into open UV editor, go into mapping and say flatten mapping, tools, pack UVs over here. So go into the material, let's assign the texture and isolate it in this way. Unwrap UVW. So select the polygons, tools, mapping, flatten mapping. You can even use unfold, that's totally okay. Pack UVs. So go into the material and assign it. There are really small elements which needs to be taken care. Again go into this and say unwrap UVW, select this polygons, quick planar map, select this quick planar map, select the edges, say weld, select the polygons, say peel over here, and again pack UVs. So go into the material, I'll just assign this and isolate. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we almost done everything, we'll just make the duplicates of it. So I'll do the same thing. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So as you can see, we have almost done the whole unwrapping of this. We can start up with the texturing. So I'll just duplicate this in the coming tutorial over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.